Yeah, welcome back to the channel. Now I just have to test out and see if the key on the new Lexus we got, old RX400 hybrid. You see here is typical Toyota Lexus problem. Been broken up, but before I start to do a lot with it, I just want to check the battery, because this key was not doing anything. It's completely dead. See if I have battery for doing it. It's a little cross screw like on all the Toyotas. Lexuses they have the same problem, the same key problem. Here someone have been in before, kind of typical. How did they do it like this? I've been in changing something one time and not put in the screws. Let's see if I have a flat screwdriver to get this out. Or had I glued it more or less together? Now that I've done something. Unit. Here you see someone have tried to glue. It's not working. Maybe I should try to plastic weld it. That may help. Could be interesting to try. But in here is a battery, supposed to be 2 screws. One screw is gone, the one is here. Don't remember which battery is in here, so I have to open and see if I have it. Very small screw. And here is not even a battery. What is that? 16? Looks like it's 16, so I have to go and see if I have it. Yeah, then I'm back. I got a battery, Batteriet CR1616, supposed to be. So I just have to open again and put it together, not to lose the screws. There, plus side on the top. So a rubber seal here to watch it. There, put back one screw. It's the only one I have. I didn't find my welder tools, so I haven't tried to fix this, but I'm thinking of changing the housing, and I have found some housing that I can change without cutting a new key. So I'm thinking to get that one to see. You see here, that one going there, and of course the problem here is the whole system are gone to pieces. This is supposed to stop in here. It's not, because it's ruined. No, these are supposed to light up as it do. Yeah. They are very simple to change battery in, different battery from different cars. But the problem with the Toyota and Lexus keys are when you bend it out in the back here, you end up breaking the key. You have to take control in here, so the momentum, the plastic is not strong enough. That's the problem. No, I'm just going out in a car and test it. But very, very simple. This is a small X pH 0 times 40. Yeah, very simple job. This is the same on almost all Toyota keys from the little older days and Lexus keys. Same thing, different battery. That's kind of crazy, but it's different from some models to some other. Yeah, thank you. Please come back, please see more. Coming more videos about service work on this RX400 hybrid, and I also have some other Lexuses here. That's, of course, it's more videos about that on all the Toyotas and a lot of other cars. So please come back, please follow the channel, and please put a like on the video. Thank you.